fun way.
Red is bright like an apple so sweet. Orange is the color of yummy treats. Yellow shines just like the sun. Green is everywhere, oh what fun. Blue is the color of the ocean wide. Purple is magic like a butterfly. Colors, colors all around. Let's find them up and down.
Let's start with the color red. Look at this red apple and red ladybug. Can you say the color red?
Red.
Red, red, what do you see? I see a bright red bird looking at me. Red, red, what do you know? A big red apple is ready to grow.
Blue, green, red, yellow, purple, orange.
Red, orange, yellow too. Green and blue and purple for you. Colors are here, colors are fun. Let's learn them one by one.
Now, let's find something orange. Oh look, a cute orange fox and a big orange pumpkin. Say orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange.
Orange, what do you see? A playful orange fox is looking at me. Orange, orange, shiny and bright. Pumpkins glow in the autumn night.
Wow, look at this yellow banana. And here's a little yellow duck.
Yellow, yellow, what do you see? A happy yellow duck swimming with glee. Yellow, yellow, shining so bright. The sun is glowing with golden light.
Say yellow. Now let's find something green. Here's a bouncy green frog and a green tree.
Green, green, what you see? A little green frog jumping happily. Green, green, all around. Leaves and grass cover the ground.
Can you say green? Time for blue. Look at this blue bird and the big blue ocean. Say blue.
Blue.
Blue, blue, what do you see? A big blue whale swimming in the sea. Blue, blue, up so high. The sky is blue where the birds can fly.
Wow, look at this purple butterfly and some yummy purple grapes. Say purple.
Purple.
Purple, purple, what do you see? A pretty purple butterfly flying near me. Purple, purple, grapes so sweet. A yummy treat that's fun to eat.
Let's play a game. Jump up high for the color blue. Look at all these green things. Which one is your favorite? Point to it now. Can you find the purple items in this picture? What color is the big bright sun?
Jump up high if you love red.
Spin around if you like blue. Clap your hands for color so bright. Let's have fun, it's a colorful sight. Red, red, orange, yellow and green. Blue and purple, all are seen. Colors are fun, colors are bright. A rainbow of colors, oh what a sight.
To buy our storybooks on